Welcome to our channel Science and Knowledge. Samsung is making the biggest change and hardware upgrades to achieve better performance results and become a king flagship. The new upcoming flagship Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra versus the iPhone 17 Pro Max comparison battle. According to the latest news, Samsung achieves breakthrough multi-core performance thanks to an overclocked chip. Let's dive into the full video. To know all this here, please watch the video till the end. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel Science and Knowledge for our future videos. We're a few days away from Samsung's Galaxy Unpacked and the Galaxy S26 series, and new leaks keep on coming. The latest Geekbench 6 benchmark results have revealed an unexpected shift in the high-end smartphone segment. The Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra, powered by the custom Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5 processor, officially outperformed the iPhone 17 Pro Max in multi-core performance tests, and also narrowed the single-core performance gap to a record low. The new Galaxy S26 Ultra is powered by the Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5 for Galaxy processor. The most notable feature is that Samsung has increased the clock speed to 4.74 GHz, significantly higher than the standard 4.61 GHz of the standard version. This overclocking isn't just a theoretical figure, it directly translates into an advantage in complex computing tasks. For years, Apple dominated single-core performance. However, the A19 Pro chip in the iPhone 17 Pro Max now scores 3894, just 3.5% higher than the Galaxy S26 Ultra, scored 3,761 points. This is the smallest gap ever between the two flagship models, making the difference in real-world performance virtually imperceptible. In contrast, in the multi-core test, the advantage in core count and higher clock speed gave the Samsung model an absolute advantage. With a score of 11,454 points, the Galaxy S26 Ultra significantly outperformed the iPhone 17 Pro Max, 9,741 points, by 17.6%. Geekbench 6 data shows that the Galaxy S26 Ultra outperforms the iPhone 17 Pro Max by 17% in multi-core performance, thanks to its Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5 processor, overclocked to 4.74 GHz, but falls slightly behind in single-core performance. If Samsung successfully addresses the heat dissipation issue, the Galaxy S26 Ultra will undoubtedly become a formidable competitor, redefining smartphone performance rankings. The company promises smooth processing for everything from everyday tasks to graphics-intensive and AI-intensive applications. So, for more tech news and updates, please stay tuned, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel Science and Knowledge. See you next time, stay blessed, peace out.